So we're solving for P here, this thing right here, and it's solved for M right now. So what we need to do essentially is get rid of this whole thing right here. So we need to get rid of all of this. So we need to divide both sides by that essentially. So when you divide both sides by that, you're going to end up with, it's going to be M divided by, I'm just going to call this thing, just call it X, it doesn't really matter. So it's going to be M divided by X is equal to P. But the problem with this is none of these have M divided by anything. So what you really need to do is do 1 over X for this, and this is the reciprocal. So it means it's this X, but only flipped. So it's going to end up being 1 plus R over 200 to the N minus 1 on top, divided by R over 1200 times 1 plus R over 1200 to the N. Okay, so basically what you can do is you can multiply by the reciprocal. So if I multiply this by 1 over X, this is going to cancel with this right here. But then you have to multiply this by 1 over X here as well. Well, 1 over X is just whatever X is, and you just flip it. So X by itself is X over 1. So if you flip it, it's 1 over X. So essentially you're just doing this part right here. That's the flipped part of X. And you multiply it by M. So the answer for that one would be B.